Hey everybody, we've been doing a lot of work on Bradlee's Jeep. We're getting ready to finish it up. Just finished the oil change, getting ready to put the last. It takes 4.5 quarts. I'm gonna put the last half quart in. What I'm gonna do real quick is do the air filter. I'm gonna do the cabin filter. This thing has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws in it. They are technically Phillips heads, but you can use a flathead or a 7 or 8 millimeter. I used a drill to get most of them out. There's one in the back here, in the very back corner. That is a pain to get out because the firewall is right up against it. But I'm just going to use a very small flathead. Try to see if I can get to it. If not, it's like I said, it's a 7 mil. Let me make sure. Let me verify. 8 or 7. They're 8s. 8 mil and a ratchet. Let's see, it is this one back here. You have one right here that's a pain, and then this one back here. So get it out. Once you get to a certain point, like I said, there's one back here. This is the one that will give you fits. Also, it tells you right on the box, do not undo these. This is your BCM or your ECU, I don't know. You can literally just flip it over like this. This should just slide right off of there. Yep, just comes off like that. This one definitely needed changed. Get your new one out. You can tell, new one, old one. This one had not been done for a while. And if you look in here, you'll see your snorkel. It just slides right back over top of it, like such. Boom. It just sits right in there. Goes right over this snorkel neck. And you'll line this back up and just start putting the screws back in. This is an easy, very easy, like 5-minute job. My suggestion is to get them all started before you go hammering on them. I'm going to use, once I get them all started, along with that back, these two in the back, I can get one there, all those I can get with my handy dandy cordless ratchet. Okay, grab this and this. Okay. I'm gonna get them all started before I get them snug. Remember, you are going into plastic, so you don't want to go too crazy and break it. Plastic. Would you all guys, what did everybody out there watching do today? I went and watched monster trucks with my friend Jonathan's sons. I tell everybody, I said, those are as close to nieces and nephews as I'll get. So I went and did that today. So I hope you all did something enjoyable today on your day off. Or if you had to go to work, I hope you had a good day at work. So I'll get those tightened down back there. Those are the worst ones. I'll finish getting that one tight and finish that one. Boop. With this guy. But that's all there is to your air filter on your Jeep. Very simple. Make sure you do not unhook these. And make sure you get all your screws too. Earlier I missed one back there. So that's it. Thanks. Real quick, Steve and I appreciate you watching this video. We hope it helps you get this job done today. If you can take a second of your time and hit that like and that subscribe button, it helps us make more videos like this. And the more these videos I get to make, the less I have to go to my day job. So appreciate it.